Going to assemble the bog purse. So I had noticed at my local Lebos that people were crazy about these big plastic purses. And when I looked at them, I thought, wow, there's really not a whole lot to those. And how easy would it be to make a paper file of that super popular purse? I think a lot of horse people use them for some of their gear. But now they're becoming popular as like beach bags, and so that is what this design is based on. And it's called a bog purse. I'm just putting these little white buttons there on the handles, and I'm going to pop my handles. One thing that I've noticed about these purses is that they're all one color. So I have cut mine out in one color. There are a few accent pieces. If you wanted to do them in different colors, you could. We'll look at those in just a second. The accent pieces, that is. So my handles are ready to go. I'm not going to put them on just yet. But we have, so you'll notice on the file that the bottom of the purse is squared off. But this piece will go on.
Keep the fan on there, please.
And will round those edges for us. Okay. And then there's also a piece that goes here, just straight across the top. I'm going to go ahead and put this one on. There's one for the front and the back. Okay, and okay, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to put glue here on this tab, and I would suggest just working from one side. First. I think it'll just make it a little bit easier. And we're going to glue this like so. So I'm gonna trying to hold it so you can see it and I can get the glue where I need it to be. Now I'm going to put glue on this tab and on this tab. So I'm just gonna kind of try not to make a mess here. I'm just pushing on the tabs from the inside, just like so. And you can use something to reach inside there if you need to. And you can see I've got that side done. So now I'm going to come over. I'm going to work on my second side, and I'm going to go ahead and put glue on all my tabs. I want to line up the bottom first, and then I'm going to come up here and line up the top. And again, I'm just going to reach inside and push my bottom tab and my side tabs into place. Okay. So I've got all of my tabs secured down. It almost looks like a watermelon, this color. Okay, and then, so don't forget that when you're putting these pieces on, flip this over here, that you've got this little piece here that does not, that you don't want to get glue on that. Okay, so I'm just gonna like think of a line straight across there. And again on this side, because I don't want that to look too messy. I don't think it'll be very noticeable if you did get glue on it. And I'm going to stand mine up so I can stand this piece on the table and make sure it's not hanging over my bottom edge. And then flip it over and apply pressure from the inside. Okay, so that's pretty simple. This color really does look like a watermelon. My test one I had done in green. I've noticed too when I've seen these in the store, all the colors are very bright. I don't know if it's just because of the season, because it's summer, or if that's a characteristic of these bags. And again, I'm standing it up so I can stand my piece up on the table as well, using my fingers to get it edge to edge. That way I know it's not hanging over the bottom. And we'll just apply pressure. Maybe a little more with my bone folder. And then my handles. I'm just going to line them up here in the center of those holes. And there it is. There is my bog purse gift bag. Thank you for joining me.